Voltage Fusion by OpenText is a data discovery service available in the AWS public cloud, but it can also be deployed in a virtualized manner in a private data center. For data protection and risk management professionals, it provides a way to understand the data you have, both structured and unstructured, so that you can protect it. For the data admin and analyst, it's organized into functional areas to be able to connect, analyze, and manage data of all types across all repositories. As an admin, I can establish what data sources I want to scan and exactly how I want them to be analyzed in Connect. Voltage Fusion supports the most common unstructured and structured data sources out of the box, including file shares, SharePoint, Exchange, Google Drive, Office 365, and OpenText Documentum, XECM, and Core Content. For structured data, any JDBC source is supported, including common platforms such as Oracle, SQL, and Postgres, and even cloud data warehouses such as Snowflake and Google BigQuery. In addition, Fusion offers a REST API to integrate additional data sources. When an admin establishes data sets to analyze, they can define exactly how to scan the data set, such as scan intervals, OCR options, and importantly, what grammar sets should be inspected for, as well as define what type of scan they want to perform. For instance, a metadata-only scan on unstructured data sets provides a quick scan of file and repository properties for data cleanup and hygiene use cases. A full content scan provides in-depth analysis for privacy compliance and data lifecycle use cases. And especially useful for large data estates, we can define a data set to be smart scanned, which allows for sampling a data source, which enables analysts to be more prescriptive in terms of where higher concentrations of risky data exist in a short time frame. Now, when defining a data set, as mentioned, the admin can specify grammar sets to inspect the content for. Fusion comes out of the box packaged with optimized grammar sets pertaining to region-specific regulations. We can see here a grammar set specific to the U.S. Consumer Privacy Act that includes relevant PII, PCI, and PHI. Once we have content scanned with Fusion, Analyze provides the analyst with a graphical view of your managed enterprise information and lets you search that information. The dashboards help you to identify key trends, such as the volume of sensitive data grouped by risk level, as we can see here for both unstructured and structured data, or even by category of risk, using reporting groups to chart PII, PCI, PHI, and so forth, but even breaking it down into further groupings, such as human resources data versus contact and financial data, as we can see here. From these dashboards, we can jump directly to a view of the corresponding data or a description of the data findings. Here we can see a customer report file with a high risk score, classified as highly sensitive, and details what sensitive attributes were found in the file. From this list view, we can send the data to a workspace and manage so that we can review and potentially apply an action to the data for remediation. Perhaps we want to see everywhere Fusion found identification data in our structured data sets. We'll be able to see the data set and table that contains sensitive data pertaining to PII and down to which columns. Fusion offers a variety of rich dashboards to better understand your data and where risk lies within your data sets, such as the Analyze Sensitive Data dashboard for unstructured data, or a similar view for just our structured data. And the Trend Analysis dashboard depicts the volume of sensitive data per tag and grammar type over a selected time period. We also have the sensitive data heat maps that provide a visual of where pockets of sensitive data reside within unstructured data sets. Now, lastly on Analyze, the Financial Risk Modeler lets you assess the true cost of data privacy, where you can get a personalized financial risk model using information about your company and data environment. Let's now hop over to the Manage interface, where analysts and data management specialists can work within workspaces to perform specific activities on their data, such as data cleanup tasks for redundant, obsolete, and trivial data to data subject access requests. Let's have a quick look at these example workspaces for sensitive data governance. In this type of workspace, you can perform a variety of data privacy tasks, such as data subject request and placing holds on unstructured data. We can also establish workbooks to further subdivide tasks within a workspace to perform specific actions on very targeted sets of data. For instance, to send data to a target location, like a controlled document management system, or to delete data, or protect it with Microsoft Purview, and much more to include custom actions that are tailored to your organization using the Fusion REST API. If you'd like to know more about Voltage Fusion, we'd be happy to have an exploratory call or give you a personalized demo. Please contact us.